Je m'appelle Omega, still Omega, Omega. Hey. That's right.
Danny Beats Classic.
Hey, Blaze. I miss you, Papa. You there? I'll call you after the live broadcast. I'll call you as soon as I'm done. Hey, Charlie. It's good to hear from you. Mr. Mawali, welcome. Welcome to the platform. Kindly share the video and then invite your friends to come on board. We need to get the message across to our so-called celebrities. Eunice, how are you doing? You're welcome to the platform. I want to welcome all of you to the platform. Very soon, in a minute, I'll be with you so that we start with the broadcast. Eunice, that's great. In less than a minute, the message will be Steve Mimakaba. I believe so. Avia no me mamunyi na makwaba eba dwumedie ni so. Be se ebo duba ko a pepepa ye be hye ye dwumedie na se. So hwe obre na akasima be se mienu na duba ko no abo. Eno nti ye hye dwumedie na se se ne be ya ye betumi awie ntem. Se me ba life se ya na eye kokobo ene efutu ena medema adofo nyina. Esanse Yesu Kristo ne maye no aben ogidio wanye ni o oba se wenwu ankwankoto no a ono ba beto wasase so enti se ne etie bia no obie ni chance a ode be escape the wrath of God. Enti adie bia yeye bia no we have to keep on reminding ourselves. Se chirone se wetwa ehie bi atoho e de ma odasane bia ehie a untumi ntra se breni so na owuo ba be ka chiro se oluman se omefa omra oye ho hwe a enyeyi ye wo eniema bi o ho a wobetumi anya bible e wo ho ofie wobetumi de bible ato ofie ho wobetumi akọ high security officer ana watchman na wama na ba behwe ofie so ama ye wajapade ahodo bebre ho a obetumi find the security for them, but eniema bi ho a you can never have security for it irrespective of ahodie anasika owo ade bi ti say yare obie no ho obetumi afa security officer for yare as yare ba obeka say me ma okwan ma nwurem. You don't have security for any kind of ailment or sickness. Sana uwo so obi ntumi nya security for it. Eti yade a yeye bia no esese ye kan ni hu no say one day you will have to leave everything behind. Ese oja bibia wuchiri. It is a sana tie dia na enipa ben nesese yeye. Nipa ben nesese yeye. Enu nti na brano ewo mo a na maba be kai wo. Emo a na maba be tufo. na mamu ohunu se ne oye nyina no awiye ewo ho awiye no ne asem na ene no kokobon sem no meto e de amane anyomtofo se oye gospel musician and a secular musician all artists ena womo a ewo sinitwam womo nene mede asemi ekwama wom. So those of you who are in the cinematography and those of you who are in the music industry, this is a message for you. Munuanum bebre ewu ebinum enyinya kwanhia eniema bi toto wom obi wo kora na wiye no obi hu se yare bi abono na sikampo oni bi ena ode akwakosa na ho yare ye nyina wo Ghana ha menkaw ye nyina ye yawo enre ya ena yenya ne ntie se anoti supreme nso we free na matenas yesterday niema bia anoche de no ena atwemadwe si niema bebre so izanse sa brantie no be 6 years ago menini hia wo kwa benya program bia say one movie director Jerry Zack ne program ase na launch video bi ena menini kosia wo ho na wo hwe abrantie se de no wesia yi ni ti se obia na ne wedie no se de wesie no na waye no me sorosoro mihu no media mewre hoyi na senka meni na nkasa ena nka behame but minyadaji kasa no sire ne se oye no ho se oba no enye si ya ne wiase ne ti o ewiase ne so eda ho kese nanso eda bi ba onipa enkom asaguraguro emfie nsie chi menua be me na pato nananom wonsie bi hwe oyawo a wo fa mu ansa na oko na ni wuo no esese eye ense na ho edema mu amaka wechiri no eya nyomtofo a mususu se ewiasi eye modia na de moye no moye dia gidin. It is good to have fame, it is good to be popular, but in the end you will be given an account you cannot run away from. Esese ode ugu akonta ekire obofo no eti anope no mepese mebie anyomtofo no ene ye friend saying sinitwafo ene se oye nyomtuni oye yi gospel and secular. I'm going to talk to you, so kindly share the video. Let anyone who is related or concerned receive a copy. It is important. The artists have become enemies of God. Many of them have become enemies of God. No me wi no se wan ye careful a ewiase bedada no ba kuja onkonkon so. Eti yesase no se de bia munim no mede Nyankopon no asem na chirichirim. Without the word of God no, there is nothing we can do. Na mebebubo niema kakra bi so ewo ha na nyina ya hyene nso enipa bebre dwene se oba sasi so na okase wo nkwasori mpo a Nyankopon ani uni asem de won kwasori mpo no onim se nyame bi wo ho, onim se ye wo de onim se obi na ye no. Even abosonsomfo kra o mu yi apa ye gu nsa kra mpo no wo mu nim se otwedi amponkwa me nyame onyankropon owo ho. Edi se owo nyame afawo so wo bonsam afawo esanse enyo obonefo no na ye wo na bonsam ntumi nya hwi nti no unipadua efiri utiri wi so edi besi wo na ase no esese de bia ewo hu bia se Kristo ni onyam se ankwa nkoba ne saa na chese susupa Kristo ananyankopon de wo ba asase so no wama ne nsesi form. In that case no obehaw na eye nipa bebre say owu na ekoso ewo Ghana ha no eyenkomsa adifo ne hye ena emasa owu no eba. I want to tell you, the prophets have no hand in the deaths that are happening. If they are going to prophesy simple ewom se owu bi besia eye de oma hunu ena omo beka, which in many cases I doubt is prophecy from God, because so obi bewu a ono ankasa onim se obewu based on the suman na braba obo. Let me make something very clear. Say owo na ekoso wo Ghana ha no ni bebrebe say ya kwansia say ye yareye say ye dien ena di owo no ba no eye onyankopon eno ye saade no abayifo ntumi nku without the hand of God. So kind 1 Samuel chapter number 2 verse number 6 no. Let me start from there. 1 Samuel chapter number 2 verse number 6. Osi Erade ena wokum na omankwa. Oma ebisa kwa asamando na oma afoforo so efredi. Eti in scripture no se eba no owu a eyi nyame pe enekum. Take note. Na nyame kum no oto no bo ase oma ne bo chere ne bojo che e de mawo. Sen ye be ya unwu e wo bonim. If say Ezekiel 33:11 no ade nyankopon empene se onipa bi ebewu e wo ne bonim. Eti se wo ye de bonye ni a uwu ne nyame fe. Nyame empene so se obewu wo bonim. Nanso wanhwe yi a wadie na wo ye no usuba na wo da na di no ebema nyankopon hiti up in his anger to come and destroy you. And this is a message that I want every musician, I want every actor or actress to pay close attention. If we say ayemo say ayemodwuma na moye na modwuma na moye no so no eni wiase e wa yonkofa. James 4 verse 4 say munim se mo amofa ewiase adamfo no mugina wo so nyankopon tamfo. And when you live your life to please the world, you become an enemy of God. But enkaye kanyankopon ne tamfo a enkaye nipa ba ko pe the devil Lucifer anka Satan pe ene ye the enemy of God. But eneno many of you have declared yourselves enemies of God because of your attitudes, because of your ways of life, because of your lifestyles, how you live your life, how you conduct yourself, how you are leading and luring people to evil and immorality. You have declared yourselves enemies of God. And that is not a good sign. And untino Ezekiel 33 verse number 11, if I'm not mistaken, the Bible says something over there. Say catcher one says semetias ye radi nyankopon assemni ampara obonifu wu enyamefe na emu se obonifu besanye free na kwan so obonifu ebesanye free ne kwan so na wenyankwa monsane free makwa mone so adenti ena mu Israel fie. Edi adenti na yenuanom musicians enesi ochina sei okwaware a uhun ye be na abreki tese bibie ni wa womo ya ewie peye omaware wasem ebinuma ba be ye bon 1 bon 2, but these people are celebrated. These people have become icons on TV. These people have become so-called role models for many people, and they have misled a lot of people. See, if you find yourself in the music industry, remember say voice na ukrano eye talent na Kristo edi amount eye radin de saa adoma chede ne di amount na odi amount se ne ebe ya mfasode edi ama wiase wanfa ma se fa bekum na desie ne ma wanfa ma se fa be lure people into sexual immorality wanfa ma se twi nipa dwin firi ono awrade ho ne fa be si wiase wi ne nipa enwu obonim. Whatever talent that you have, no, say de amount. So the question you need to ask yourself is, how do I make this talent beneficial to God and to humanity? Whatever you say as a musician or as an actor or as an actress, whatever you do, whatever you say, it becomes a point of emulation for people. And many people who have been brainwashed begin to think that these celebrities, their ways of life, is pleasing unto the Lord. In the name of movie, people are doing a whole lot of things. In the name of enyom tuwo, and over video clips, eba, emayu esa, these video clips, channel. It is a total promotion of harlotry, seduction, sexual immorality. We have corrupted the society. We do not have the fundamentals straightened again. Now our culture has been destroyed. Culture nanka a preventi ma said they will never expose their sensitive parts to the public. And then in a simple video that will be a nufu and in a true moon in a edem. All in the name of movie acting, all in the name of singing a song. Now the question is, if you are going to live your life that way, what are the consequences? You don't need a prophet to tell you that you're going to have an accident. If you're watching me and you are misleading people to hell, you don't need a prophet to prophesy to you. You don't need a pastor to tell you that there is a calamity awaiting you. You have a tragedy awaiting you. You don't need a soothsayer to tell you that. No, you don't need it, because your own lifestyle is a determinant of what is about to happen. It is all the tragic events that these musicians and artists are faced with. It is as a result of their own lifestyle, because they have declared themselves enemies of God. But I want to tell you today, and I want to warn you, that if you do not take this counsel, if you do not take this advice and begin to run back to your Maker, surrender your lives to God, make a meaningful life out of what you have, allow people to see God through your artistry work, allow people to appreciate the talent that God has given you, you're just going to end up like others. Terry Bonchaka rose up and need a big show. Well, a lady here, a soft mama came, a young girl here, no movie, we are check. Susie Williams, very wonderful girl, young lady. Ononso nebranso wewu oko. Nebranso wewu oko. Ebony, yareho sembako, young lady, below 30 years, ononso wewu oko. Supremo anoche ononso ko enre ya. Na so trend na these artists, even one more munya accidents, no more survival. I know your warning issues no. More munya accident, ni be pre-prayer, na nyankopo adomo da so tete ase no. A warning shoot, and nyankopo de amamo. If say nyankopon ade a won pe, ene si obi a obe prim na koma e won ne mraton. Eno di ochi. Wo yes ha de ni nyina no na o se na bufu na adofo ehu se obema nyankopon abufu hye about so. Do not allow the vengeance or the wrath of God or the anger of God to come upon you, because I didn't mean nyina no ye nyame abufu. Okay? Nyankopon abufu. Eti you the musicians, you the artists, you the movie actors and actresses, no. Your ways of life, no, you have declared yourselves enemies of God. And this is a warning. Because someone sachira madria mubewu by heart. It is not a prophecy from God. It is based on what you are doing with your own lives. Based on what you are doing with your own lives. This is not thou sayest the Lord. This is according to the word of God. If it's a nyankopon bufus, the more awoye bonino na ohiti up. Numbers chapter number 14, verse number 18. Numbers chapter number 14. Verse number 18. Mamin kinkai asembi wo na yenhwe ade. Mose homa etoso enan no etia eye du 9 nchichemu a eye edu nwotwe. O say Erade eye ebufuo mu nya na nadoye eso. Odi amumuye ene mraton che. Na bim ena ommu die odifo bim. Na utua na nanom amumuye so ka de kofa emaso kusi awon toatoaso miensa ene nan so. Ade bi a wo ye na eye bone na ene ye ka kire wa so wuntie no. Saa de na wo ye no. Bible say nyankopon ni bufu, but na bufu no eye nya slow to anger. Slow to anger. Enti wo a wo so ye musician na utumi sore dakro. Na wure wani achi nyina tugu na wo ye redesign na ko finkum edisra na wo po wedie so Ethiopia ni betumi asachira na wedie ana na obi sasenti obibi ni betumi asachira na wedie ana. That is impossible for a leper to fall into a river or water and its spot to be changed. It is a tisadia. Why can't we the Africans do good? Some people rise up and say religion has come to cause a lot of problem for us. Religion has not come to cause problem for us. Yes, stiff nakedness, pony ni aswording, any yenko ya sing, and no nama or how near mania apa or my so. If say Ghana be ye na ejamenu mi ni so. The obebo man Ghana eye Nyankopɔn ye nim ni free asase no. So what you see? It is a marathon ne dɔɔso a sɛ bɔne ne dɔɔso a ɔman ne nyɛ yie da ɔmanfo no bɛbrɛ atofuo bɛsisi nkwanhyia bɛsisi sɛ yɛni mmara so a ɔman no yɛbɛtu abɛde dabi yɛbɛto bɛsɛ no ne yɛakɔ yie yɛbɛsu. Why? Because yɛwɔ ɔman a enipa mpɛ sɛ wɔde mmara ɛbɛkyekyere ne ho. We are such a lawless people. Ɔman no mu mmara onni so, asɔre mmara onni so, ebusua mu mmara onni so, amamra mmara onni so, emre bia onni so. You will die young, you will die early. Na Nyankopɔn ne mmara na wase wɔ na medical katero say, eye nyame na okum no no ne mankwa. Okay? Enti Nyankopɔn according to Numbers 14:18 we say oto no bu ase ansa na ne bu afu. Enti na bufu ni yenya, enti ne oyɛ no, you are hitting God up in his anger. You the musicians, I'm talking to you people. Actors, people are looking up to you for as a model. People are looking up to you for decency. People are looking up to you for righteousness. But you have corrupted yourselves. Some of you have drawn tattoos on yourselves. Some of you are sexually misconducting yourselves in the society. And a lot of young people are looking up to you and they are learning from you. So say they don't look up to us. Nanka me when you say anka obebunu bi sorry obehwe me misuban nanka wosua bi. But you people are always on the TV. You people are always on the interview shows or the talk shows. It you know when you find yourselves in the public domain no as I say mo hunu say de mo ye no wonsunsanso e wo public ni so. It is the moment your lifestyle or your attitude misleads anybody or takes somebody away from the grace of God, you become a legitimate enemy of God. Nyankopon kan wo kan the townful bonsam ne ho. Eti mo musicians no, you're going to die. You will die young. Musuban no, niemo ye no, mama mabu no aye corrupt. Must say wo mabrabo. Mama ma turn into harlots. You see gospel musicians, so-called gospel musicians. Anka ewiasefo de no krampo de nkeye. But mumpo amowo gospel industry ni mo no. Hwe de mo nso mo ye. Eti menemu ba be yi quotations no 111 na ma kire mo niema owuo no ne enti abanesa. Enti se mo ansa kire ma dwena a owuo ni de mo bokoso awu. You don't need a prophet to tell you that. Okay? Eti ne se mo say mo be di edifo na chi. Na mo refine ways of life. Na mo nsan mo chi ma Kristo nchen. E ma urade hu mo body a. E na mo be wu ntem. Mo be wu agya ye nyina ho. E na nkokora ne mrewa ne tete ase. E na mo mmaba wa ne mrantie no mo wu ko. Munim die ntia bone noa if say bone a mo ye no Nyankopɔn na nwe hu da se mo betumi ye saa bone ne de atua ne ka papa ye nyame de ye mu nyina no hede mo de ye no bone noa enti no se mo behwe a the trend are these actors and the actresses and the musicians no mo di wu no ayi won say am say this year na last year and no mo comedy one particular Kumawood actor, the nearby Cassia no. Me refini din kura, but you people you know, you need no funny din into comment line. No. There was a particular young Kumawood actor, they made him almost tabo no, and oh kind of now they have to comment line no mama, and bia. So here a friend saying this radio station presenters, some of them have started dying mysteriously. Some of you are involved in advertisement for alcoholic drinks. Na momo ye advert, na mo mana yakono, ni nipa kwa fanom. Celebrities, you are endorsing pornography, you are endorsing corruption, you are endorsing all kinds of fashionable ways. And tadia ba a celebrities ni yodomi ye be introduce ya de bia esai wo man na emo nipa eye boniche Nyankopon a you are a more so-called celebrities no mo na mo de sani mani nyina but you become the frontiers. You promote such things. Na nyamete so no hemo. Ladies and gentlemen, Nyankopon ni trimu nyamru. Our God is a terrible God. Indeed, Jeremiah 20 verse 11. He's a terrible God. God is terrible. God is really terrible. Be very careful you don't fall into his trap. Because if you're not careful, you are going to die. Nyame bema ka tiwuti. Nyame obemu ka atewonai. Obebu buwegu. Don't tell men you say Nyankopon best spell if you mislead people to sin. Don't think that way. Because as much as God is merciful, no, he is a terrible God. He is a very terrible God. Etino mona mo wiase na moji wiase bombo you musicians. Hwe unu say number 1, me your software, okay? Me your software. Enipa na meda o ma no. Enipa meda o ma no no. Esese unu say nipa no. Baby a omani kire no eyeme ma me di omoko ho. Se menya nkwa a machidifo benya nkwa agide wanti manum asem. Eso obi no obeti asem a Kristo di asem no a onya nkwa, obenya nkwa. Etu obi obedi machi nukurem no wasua me, no wadi me nie machi, the way I see dressing, the way I kasa, the way I relating with the public, the way I even in my private life. Me need double way of life. The way I meti wabonten no sana meti ufi. If I do not condone sin on the outside, I do not condone sin in the inside. And I don't have a double standard way of living. My lifestyle is one, and in everywhere I find myself, I must please God. Papa and son broadcast. But it is important for me to spend the last kobo on me so that I get the true message of God to the people out there. If a nipa bebre yira, a nipa bebre kwa manim. So what you see, Nasa uwuna ekosu bebrebe no. It is not because obonifo no na niabre so bekumu. Na momo na mo decide say mo bewusa. Eti as a leader no, se me di me obi anim na me di nipa no ko wuma. Ye bebu se nipa no moja di afiri mo. Eti se me na me so e mo bi yira. Akonta bebu no ebeso achi obi adia. Eti na misuro say enipa eti ensema Kristo di asema no medada wo. Eti na misuro no. I'm afraid if se me to me konkoje wakonta ensoa wakonta bo me kutumi ndifo e wo moja ho. Eti e necessary say abra wo wababidi machi na wo follow me no, whether on Facebook, whether on YouTube, whether in my church, whether at the crusade ground, wherever I find myself at, will be follow me with your time no. I have to present you to God. So ye ma sorry ba, so ye ma sorry ba, wo ye mebusuani o, wo ye mebusuani o. Ma sede ne say wababedi machi na me ye leader nko ade. Ese me do koduru nyame ho, ese me do ko ba bi etene. Ese me do kosi asase paso. Na se mentumi amfo won koduru ho a ewom se wan hunu nyansa ma wansa wachidie na enso mesen difo ewo ho. So what you see, eti onipa bi a oye leader no, ese so make it yourself whatever leadership position you play or you hold no, will be leading people to righteousness. Proverbs 14 verse 34. Or say righteousness exalts a nation, sin is a reproach to each people. E yetene ne ne mo man so na setene ne betumi o man ni ba bepeja ese say leadership no obi a whether student leadership, political leadership, religious leadership, musical leadership, movie leadership, wherever you find yourself as a leader no, as a spearhead no, ese say wo ma wa brabo edi nipa kotene ne yim, ese wo ma wa brabo edi nipa ko pepepe yim, ese wo ma wa brabo no suba ne ade bi a wo ye no e kire Nyankopon su ewo mu sankoba ne saa nyame bekum. I'm telling you, ubewu nkwase ewu. Enyom bebreba yetie no radio so eye musicians mo na moto. Mo nso na mabrabo asai hwe nkwase anumara ye bokuro kotom konkon. Ole di sawale sawa enyom wei na wabo. Akosi tokurum. Ding dong, me bo me don, ding dong, me bo me don. One corner. Na inipa deseni chese eye mu na mu tunum ama society neti no, you are the same people who are leading them to hell. And so when you become an architect, a designer of hell for people of God, then you become an enemy. Nyame bekum me say odo betina ka ba kwa kotwitwa online obetiti wesinesini. Eti mayanko trosem. Let's see the stake of God. Job chapter number 14 verse 16 to number 17. Job 14:16 to number 17. The musicians, be careful. Artists, be careful. Satawale mu monokoko. Satawale should come back to God. It is never too late. Wale, you can come back to God. Ube to me live a godly life. I tell you, it is just a matter of changing your mind, making up your mind that today I am taking a turn around. Today I am reforming my life. I want to give my life to God. I want to experience the peace of God. I want to enjoy the solemnity. Oh my God. Job 14, verse number 16 to 17. Or see now failure. Wokai manamon tio erade anamon bi a wutu bia ne woye bia no wokan na wonyi wani emfri na wonyi wani emfri me bone so mesi so. Job 14 16 to 17. Nanso afei de wokan manamon na wonyi wani emfri me bone so. 17 waso me mraton ano de ahye kotokum na wakyekere me bone ano de Erade kan say onipa bia no anamo bia wotu no onyankopon okan anamo bia wotu bia nyame kan se woni mu a they are keeping record of every step you take on this life. It is a year say se wokọ kokoam na mpo wo ye osofo wo ye leader na wokotu suma de bansere ni niam bi hyehyɛ ade na se ebri nkofo ni so ema nipa ebedi wachi ko sayem na ye wo so benya ahotototo a obuwa. Hey, asofo no mu be wuwu papa asofo atrofo ne adifo atrofo na mo Ghana ha no nyame se men kan kire mo based on this obekunkum mo de na mo ye mo se nyankopon onhwe mo no ohwe mo papa o se adie bia na mo bia mo tutu ye no wakan afei nani onyi mfiri wo bone so edi se ye wadwen se odi bone na nyame hu a obua onyi nani mfiri wo bone so. Na verse 70 o say waso me mrato no e de ahye kotokuom na wakyekere me bone ano eti bone bi a waye no nyankopon yi koko sax de adidilodu koko akese no ena bone bi a waye no wodi hyem oye no de ahyem oye no de ahyem eti edi kura wo musician ya wo tie mi ana wo osofo a wo hwe mi ana whoever you are wo tie mi a wo de wo ahye bone na wo se wo de wo nsakira na binum so ehye wo kutupa ebinum di wachi na because of wo ni yenti enipa bebre eko sey mu no saa bone na wo ye ni nyina no ya pack de gu kotokuom ni ya pack de si wo na dan nya mebeti ano no wo be bon se mama no. Our God is a terrible God. He is a merciful God but a terrible God. Obi otumi de bone eche na ne bo echerifu no say nipa ne se usuru no nipa ne bo cherifu oye na de ofi oye na de ofi na de nani hwe wo no the day nipa no best parking the bufu no obone ntoa e de sisi ho. Sorry, I think there was a break. One said more musicians name your friend is saying artists na mo wo no. One said mawari enyina and then sense be bring the for mo enye bibia enyankopon bufusie na eba be hyase e wo mo so. Eti no nia wo ye bia no hunu se wo ye bone a no de ayeden o de ahye kotokuom wo ye bone a no de ahye kotokuom. Eti Job 24:23 to 25. Job 24:23 to 25 or say sa kotokuom na o de obon na hye no still o ma hwento o say o ma wo tena ho dwoodwo na wo de won ho to eno so. Eti wo ye bone a wo de wo a wo ye ayi actress hwe memma adwamara wo bo Ghana hwe ntade a wo hye de ba TV so wa wem wutrum ane unufu ho sensitive part de etwetwe memma ekose akono boni sane ma na mo ye ene mo memma no mo sori ya na mako saloon maye mutiti se ma obema kateti tumi ko saloon koboni titi se oba enu bi na anochi aye na Nyankopon akunu no eti anochi wu no ema obi nwini se eyodasani bi na ekunu ono ane boni na ekunu obema wotena asase su bo wuti se oba ye wuti se oba won se Nyankopon ni tina no de yare ekoto mu me be kire ho nyame oye wicked eti no se anochi no oye de tini wo nyame ani so anka obi ntumi nkuno mane nyeye. And those of you pointing, accusing fingers, say, Ebi Kura Kufia Doma, him something about it. And I say, your friend said, Daddy Lumba, in him something about it. Kufia Doma, Daddy Lumba, whatever you are pointing, accusing fingers, these people have no authority. They have no power over the life of an individual. It is God who kills. and it is God who gives life. Your way of life will determine how you go. So before being a ne Yankopon ne de one percent is onkum. So ya dear Tina, a radibebo mobile. Okay, ya dear Tina, Yankopon or bebo mobile. Etino, and not you no, and your noir. What na si Ginani, or in whom we are say, share we ye. And we ye. I feel that the general public had to contribute money before we could take him out of the country to go and seek for medical help. And yet this for many of you out there. Sana nyame be munina. Sana nyame be munina. Make sure Psalm 89 verse 30. I'm not in the end of Psalm 89 verse number 30 to 32. It don't blame somebody for his death. He was somebody who sang not otono mo yenyum to ni. Na nenyum to na otono or the leading people away from the grace of God. He allowed people to run away from the throne room of God. He allowed people to see the world. Or chinipa kuriase or menipa sankwasiasa to edwamanyum. Nyame na ekuno enye obia onipa bi enkuno. It is only God. Etina osafo obi antumi ama no doctor for be ya enye because nyame si okun a odasani ntumi nyi wo mfiri ne nsem. Psalm 89 verse 30 to 32. Ti o say sane maja memra na wanante matemudiem Yankopon atemudie niema wo begina so die bu aten. John 8:26 say me won sempia meka megina so bu nipa ten. Sana Yesu kan. It was say sane ma eja memra na wanante matemudiem se ogu masede hu fi na wonni memra nsem so a eno de medi ababa betwe won aso won mra ton ho na mede ohaw ahoduo meba betwe won aso won amumuye ho mede ohaw ahoduo eba betwe won aso ohaw ahoduo ne bi ni yare. Okay, ebi ni yare bizim pompo obema na bow. It is a tumor, brain tumor, cancer, whatever it is, you know. So we say we be call the path of supreme ubia. That will be your portion. Timothy said, that's fine. Deuteronomy 28, 80, or how Yarene Babeto, a ye are not supreme. The Tina were ye the Sanwa, were no see a man to your friend. A ye said in the Yamitis, 1 many times, Sanka one sachra, and yet that the loom baby and the kuno. Or not a bonny. It is a way a bema, it is this you go to Kodwenchi. Rastan won't go chat. Won't go chat, no need to find. He's a nice guy. Won't go chat. Name you ma what to ye abawum. A biasinyon but a name you may promote your mammo. Because name you more to know a biwa abawum. Makuma could be naya name Kay. It is not so such a no me rade, no charastan and cababuano. And this are all of you go down that line. All of you. Deuteronomy 28. It you say anoche were free more. He chose to die the kind of death he had. And you be and the desire man. Yamina the 2 Deuteronomy 28, verse number 15. Person mekans or say, now so ebebas etifians and was say asode home no me. Now so ebeba say when tie erade, Winyankopon ne. So be the ransom. Ene na sedie a me hye oni aya enumi nyina beba wo so aba bemene. Verse 21. Erade bema oyare dom afa mo ho de akusi se ebewi ohie afri asase a wore koso akwakofa no so ache komo na se Nyankopon bema yare dom ye ka yare dom enya baku yare agudu bebre no akabo ma ye de toa no de aba beto so wono ma adura enko. Doctor for be a scan, aye MRI, aye diebe X-ray, adiadie nyina. Enti me mama say kolebu for they couldn't help him. No hospital in Ghana was able to help him. Even in India, I knew say there was not going to be any help because this was a spiritual thing. Nan kase say abaranti no osu ode no hume rade or pa rade chewo or se rade se rade humi mobo. Menkwa minya en me de dim kwase asem anka mama yakonya na mensanse sama brabo anka Kristo be huni mobo sa sofo no tu ne fo na kovia no makra wo frɛ no kra wo mfa because some of us no yen sama ye kan ye kwase asem ensemfun e medipa eti wo mfa wonyi ntum. But this is the problem we are confronted with. We need men of God who will let us understand say the way of life you choose no will determine the kind of death you have. Hebrews 9:27, it is appointed unto man once you die after that judgment. Appointment need will also be. Now so you decide when to die. You decide when to die. Okay? And you know, if you live righteous before God, it means that you are deciding say onyankopon ento nkwane mo ma nkwane nye den enye chenchen ma wo. Oma nkwane chenchen ma wo. It is a man is idea. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, nyankopon do how bibreba be how and no ka say na verse 21 na Awurade bema yare dom aba be fam ho dia kwa kusi say obewie ohie every asase a wo konso wo dey sit down and make assessment and I begin to count bua konta those who were in the music industry and the movie industry yare aba be bo omo a omo yare ne be ye very critical omo dey ewu wo dey wa tenase de wasi wo bunya menyon kran wo bekom no na kalabuli azan ye sign contract ye ni producers and it is a whole lot of life corrupted life o mo live sanye man ni nyame che so say mo you hypocrite, I'm going to vomit you out of my mouth, I'm going to take you out of my face, I will allow the world to know that I am the Lord thy God. And you know, if you're not careful with the way you live your life, you the musicians and the actors and the pastors and the whatnot, those leaders whose lifestyles are promoting the world instead of promoting the kingdom, instead of preparing the minds of people, say one between Christo, the maya tosumi nianim, near the agrempania kumapa unuado, asumia mai aboy brano. Mona mu misleading the people. God is going to kill you one by one. Mubewu asking them say why we are fi card o back or she or bet waso or be two any back way free. Now here they are weapon home. Most somebody because our God is a terrible God. He is a terrible God. God is a terrible God. Musuru nyamiu. This is not about religion. This is not about Muslim and this is not about Christianity. This is about having a change of mind. Dounia, via dempa. Muslims do not support immorality. The Muslim religion, Islam, it doesn't support sexual immorality. Christianity doesn't support sexual immorality. Even traditionalists, somebody or those people, so they can kill the people because it's a sign say all religions are not in support of morality. But where has religion gone to? If indeed religion were a case, we wouldn't have been where we are now. Would have been long gone. We have roles to play as leaders. So wherever you are occupying a leadership position, make sure say you do not become an enemy of God. As I said, those who look up to you, they see God in you. They have to see a life of Christ in you. They have to see a godly person. They have to see somebody who has a good mind, somebody who has a good heart, somebody who will do things to promote the well-being of others. Think about the poor's welfare. We're in a society where nobody cares. Nobody cares what happens. It is that way of life. No, it is Deuteronomy 28:21. Or see a radebema yare dom abe famu the akusi a view and no be natural nothing. It is member na maye muti say man na mono. Tiu mono yamedi betu to mutrim. Mobe samonko moba ko yesedri mu nyeyi. It is a wunim say unso wakwa ko yuti a yentem ne kotwa tumika ende ya ko babri shop o say yi baba mesrew so fu bi na se mo ka no ano o sindi twama me. And then kotwa ne tese me die bi na yes simple decent to the glory of God. Who are you nim hu na nkwara hu kra na ibiane. Ofi se nyame che soro na ni beje hu. Obekum de tena obekum. Afi nyame san lodi buses ni bi sprinter buses. Once is here the watiesi o emu basa kesi anka hwewa anka edin se obi kura betumi epra. Eni nyame atiesi mu obe lodu magum obekunkum mo because you deserve to die. But that kind of a death, nyame mpese obi wu oboni. So God is waiting for you. He is patiently admonishing you. O too, He has made me His mouthpiece. Why me Peace FM? Why me Adom FM? Why me Hello FM? Wasi me ne unkasa na me too. Never usuru na popo edwane je okrankwa. It who a musician now ye boni now ti boni now lead people to hell. Please, one time na wo na e promote prostitution. Please return to your maker. Have a change of mind. Nebebo na se wanti bia obema yare dom aba be famu o yare o hospital yinya no adru Oba the same 28 no yɛkɔ verse number 27. Awurade de Misrim pompo ɛne nsisiwa ɛne ntutuye ɛne ntwom a wontumi nsa ɛbɛbobɔ. Misrim mpompo, deadly mpompo kra ne brofo di ne se boil. Nantwi pompo o de be bootrim. Ne okwa no doctors na ka kire se eye tumor. Nantwi pompo o de be bootrim etino e mana mani abre a mo use all kinds of cosmetics. You are engaged in all kinds of fashionable ways. Hwe se osofo an kan kire wa osofo no tan wo kra wo. Osofo no o tan wo kra. Ye hu frim na wo benya ahoto. You who free now who beto. Sister, and came an in later, and then I want one you. Say, Yamidi and keep on for 2 more but 2 3 ma. We 3 winner would saloon, I would me spending 6 hours, Brazilian hair, Peruvian hair, Malaysian hair, Egyptian hair, even when you're in your choco hair, I'm with this so. Choco ya, when you're hair. Dan Yamidi Yaribe 2 3 no. We 3 more beshes, you are, my 3 win crowd back with Trasakora. I feel one more thing in a. Efa so be na edebreo ohawo if say we asi ni bibia wo de ma wo onyankopon ne bo ni wiase e no bonefo na babaji aboso but what the opese oje wo nkwa it was see dwane je wo kra nkwa. This is what we need to understand. It makes you say whoever you are as a musician, as an artist, as a your friend saying actor or an actress, movie industry, baby a wo bia no it is a warning to all of you. Don't wait for a prophet to prophesy to you. I'm telling you, say, someone came one free misleading a lot of the youth into hell now. You will all perish one by one. This year, me enye maniji se will be but will be wuna nipa no one such no wuni boni mu a na ya. If say near da woni ma okwa face no, it's just too horrible. Enunti na bibie ni a na ma hwe wiase din na maka ma no atum. Because ye kura ye babedi na he wasasi so. Na he ye babedi. It take that let's go to Job 36 verse number 11. Job 36. Near making if you're a musician, you are an artist, you are a pastor, you are a leader, and you see with your own fire. Okay, Job 36 verse number 11 to number 12. Let's see your destiny. Job 36. I'll say, so what ye now some no asama making so beti masemo America. Nanka obebre onwase. Nanka dwamamo bebrebe where you were free. Gospel artist why you nim se kaka motobi. Gospel artist why you nim se kaka motobi. Utwi wani mwa pongs efumpo yentwi ni pongs na wa dress all kinds of pictures say uko social media pra time say ewiase nyina hwewo yesu so say you are the light of the world. A light of the world say nkanipa nyina hum ni hu say sister idie ye wa say ye no ho no me kwan do say mesuma urade obi abaji yesu di na onye ni papa onumsa no ma no wajai obadwamaya no wajai ofankofo yene no ma no wajai na chese biribi papa bi wo Kristo mu na ade na maba bedi sa yesu yati na mugu nani mu asesa na mo to ne ho nyom na mugu nani mu asesa mu a moye gospel musicians mo to nyom ama enkofo finding inspirations in you. The upcoming youth are finding inspiration no so aba beto nyum ni bi no hwe mo way of life ye hu mu TV so a money prostitutes nyina ye pe Joyce Blessing when you chere Uganda hwe oba Christ when you chere ayi Anita Free ayi Sisi Chum ene Celestine Donko hwentade ni makeup ahodo a wo mo portray Jezebel asefo man sa chere wo mu ka be kunkum 111111 nyame beti temo sinesini eti Job 36 verse 11 no say dia making anyomtofo artists, actors and actresses asofo mo de nkunku ano asonsorry ano political leaders mo amoye leader whether say you student leader or say samutie mafutuo yi na mo sumo nyankopon a owie won na die yedie mu mon na wasase so no mo be wie no yedie mu mo fa ho kire nkwa wie o de mo mabrabo no tinti no mo be wu a mo bre Anoti Supreme bro just I rehearsal Kofi TV interview or can before few days before Obeko India no. The nearby ye about potri a rehearsal. It is saying I'm open. Someone says Sandy say I'm Beko no. You were Ghana ha you miss you mako na asema American wo video mu modie munse wo video no ye wo be hu no say enyam kom se bi nam kana one day beka say sofo bi betna ayi Facebook so na okasa semi se nia nwomtufu ni enkofu yi wo be wu nkwase wu we enye prophecy o eye the word of God o say se wotie na wo som awrade na mafutu wo fade a wo wie wo na die eyi die mu ene won fie enso die eye won dem won fie nso die eye won dem ene obedi no verse 12 na se mwantie tie verse 12 o say na se wantie a wo to dade ya no na wo jamu nimdie a abo wonti o say se wantie a o to dade ya no se bible say o to dade ya no a obema ka tiwuti obema ka tewunan o de wo ba kohwe ho edi nyame hwe driver ni bi o hwe a ono driver no the life a wo bo nyina kuro bi obedu su bia no anyi san girl bi wo ho onye oje krampo a wo hwe koda no edi kuro bia wo ba wo ho na wawo nkoda egu asase su no nware eman mu bia na nyame yi ka ba kwese wo driver ni ko na kotena stia na chi okokumu no apemeti ni bi nso a ono nso ye pickpocket ewukumase enkran no no nso de na ba betina ka anim enti passengers no mo a mo ye abortion no de wakotenem wo a wo fa obi kunu no de wakotenem wo a wo ji obi yire o de wakotenem mo a mo di nuru ton adwuma o de wakotenem mo a mo ye atrofo no nyame be parking magu ka anim family planning fo nyiro be parking magu ka anim mo a mo rero mo ni achi nwin etoto ma no penti monim na mo de ni su atete nyina hye se kaka moto bi ani abaduaba ni nyina mo ani no mo nyina no wa lodi magu ka anim odi mugu ka ni mu a odi mba kofa Accra highway N1 kwa no so me see nyame betiti mo sinesini mo kaza meboa ma menkin kan kire wo yanko the book of Psalms nyame betiti wo siesie mo hu say yes Psalm 50 odi mo fa nyame ni agro Psalm 50 verse number 16 eba Psalm 50 verse number 16 edibesi 22 asema America yi o say se mwantia mo beto dade ano atofu you die a premature death an unprepared death kwentin fi wo ya eno na ebeto mo wo a wo beto ka de wo ba ko hwe ase no akoto nsuom wo ka wo betumi apie but kai so akwakoda nsuom ne ya eno bi na ebeto mo Psalm 50 verse 16 ABC 22 o say na obonefo de onyankopon ese no say adenti na wo kama hyede na wo de wano ebo mapam din one say in the 10 commandments no third one or say thou shalt not call thy Lord God's name in vain sorry emwera de wonyankopon din basabasa womo a ense so mo bo nyankopon din eye mo a mo lead people to hell mo a mo lead your people into hell na modi musuban ne mo abrabo defe wiase ko seyim mo no a mo nyi awrade nie na mo ya bone no modie na pamdin no osema mombo eji osi na obonefo die onyankopon se no say adenti na wo kama hyede na wo de wano ebo mapamdin na wo kuro yara wo chiri animka ene no problem no ni ameke hey obi ba be didi matem rof no ko no problem eya wo kra nkwaje nye Yesu anka obetumi edidi matem okra wonim huhuhu enye ono anka wontimi edidi matem so ati asiye eti no wo kra ne nti se ebeje ne nkwanti ebeba ne sa nanso enye hwe efise yendie yenim se enkunimdie ewo ho mayen edi mensa enkunimdie ne nti sasasi so beso pame se me boa no waje wo kra ne nkwa enye masem but o say abonefo die onyankopon ese no say adenti na wo kama hyede na wo de wano ebo mapam din na wo kuro ya wo chiri animka na wo tumi nsam egu wachi se wo hunu owifo a openasem na woni awaresayefo na ebo wo gya wano ekobonim na wo tekere ma etoato na dansem what na se kan wo nua ho asem na wo na bampo osopa no waye yenum nyina na waye wenum nyina na maye komunti ususu se mete se wara nyame na ekasa yo osi waye sane man nyina na onu nyankopon ye komunti ususu se onu nyankopon te se wo meka wonim na mede matata wonim. Verse 22 mo mo wure firi onyankopon no monwiri ye hu e na mantete mo esinesini a odefuo biara eni ho tie osi na wantete mo esinesini udi rough ade nyame be ye no odi etkoso ne di nkwasesem na me ndi panhwe wo so enko se yim koso ana adonko no ye ho advert e wo TV so adonko K20 mo a moye ensa ho advert no munwie mo ne masefo mafa enome munwie it is a wonim say what sign contract with any alcoholic company beverage company now ye advert emma wo mo a enne ya kotwam sika o de ma no sanfo ma de ma wo ne dwa ne je wo kran kwa be si hu be wu ya me betiti wasinesini obe destroy obe me wiase nyina hu ne ono Nyankopon no waye wo. Our God is a terrible God. Fear him. Musuru nyame wate. Musuru nyame. Ye Nyankopon no ni hu. Isaiah 45:7. Ose me na me ye han. Na me na me ye sum. Ma me nkenkan. Isaiah 45:7. It is a movie say onyame your dog you lie. He is a loving God and yet he is a terrible God. Isaiah 45:7. Me na me bo han. E na me bo sum. Me masumdwe na me di amane ba. Me erade me na me ye we nyina enti papa ne boni nyanya me na ye edi danu Moses ka kire o man ne say me de papa ene nkwa boni ni owu esimanim ba me de nke betumi amafam ka momfa papa na manya nkwa enti se wo se wo be ye boni a nyame say papa ne boni nyina ono na ede ono na ye odi amane ba na odi asomdwe ba eti ne wo ye no wan wo ya unhu ho ano da na odi ewu unya hoto yare ya de obeku wom no obetu wajapade nyina e de asa yare entumi isa awiye no efu ada kampo abusuafo ba ko bobosia ansa na ometumi aye weyi. There are many people who are in this world that no nkomo wo sika but awiye no yare bi ebebo wo no ebe shi sika ni nyina nyame nye saade no Nyankopon ma saade we nto ne ma wo nyame nye saade no because okay kan Lamentation chapter number 3 verse number 31 no nyame enye ne pese obema bone abedi paso asase so yenya ye bu muye nyame de nka oyewie na ye den na waso ayi cigarette aba den na ka waso ayi tramo aba pocket aba tutu ni aba so okay kan kwadom Lamentation 3:31 na o say na Awurade rentomo ntwene da enye se ye na nyame beto watwene o enye se ye na obegya wo ma o na se o hye wa rehompa ne yam hyehye no sendie na doye edoso no eti efiri se enye nyame pese obehye obi ya anase obema nipa ahanema enye nyame pe na emu eyemua mo bone eyemua mamumu ye eyemua musuban wo wetumi atena ho ama nipa be say 200 oko WhatsApp WhatsApp Instagram now call Twitter now call all kinds of social media platforms we ni pay di wachi picture be na ya wo post to ho hwe mema mo hwe sa picture na akono nko adore o makono boni wonti emema bebre asase ye masem e form yiri no machi wo picture wo de koto wonti. What kind of emulation do you expect them to have? You people lure these men into all kinds of sexual immorality and lust. Na muwia masa kwa ko present mu hu wason them and you identify yourselves with certain men of God, and those men of God omunyina yi omu be wuwu it is very crucial for you say when hunu na wan tiase